All right, everybody, here we go. This video is going to cover how to create certain constructions with segments. We're going to talk about how to add segments together, how to double the length of a segment, and how to cut a segment in half. So this is what we're going to do. The first one, we're going to add some segments together. So what we're going to do is we are going to add segment AB and segment CD together. And that's going to create segment AD. So to do this, you're going to need your compass. And first thing you want to do is you want to line up your compass so both tips of your compass are exactly the same length as A and B. Okay, so you want to match them up close as you possibly can. And then you kind of lock your compass in place. And then what you want to do is you want to create a point of your own, call it point A. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put your non-pencil side to that point and simply create a little arc. Okay? Now what you're going to do is you're going to open your compass up a little bit bigger and you're going to line it up on C and D. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put your compass tip somewhere on that first arc you created, and you're going to create another arc. Now, the second one I did a little bit bigger just to make sure that you can take a straight edge and put it on this piece of paper so it'll line up through both of those arcs. Okay, so that's why I made the second one a little bigger. Really, there's no need. So then, of course, you have your A and your B. Now this is technically going to be B and C because that's somewhere over there, and then your last point is going to be D to create segment AD. So then all you need is a straight edge of some sort. It could be a ruler, it could be your protractor, or again it could just be a piece of cardboard, just so you can see I'm not cheating by measuring anything. And then all you have to do is line the point up with the arc so it goes through both of them, and then all you have to do is create your segment. Okay, and this over here will be point D. So that segment from here to here is going to be equal to segment AB and CD added together. Okay, so that's the first thing we want to talk about. Next one is how to construct a segment that is twice the length. So this, if you paid attention to the first one, is going to be pretty easy. All you really need to do is line up your compass, lock it in place, create a starting point, and you just do it twice. So it's just like the last one, but you don't have to adjust your compass at all this time. So you just put one arc, and then go put another arc of the exact same length with your compass, get your straight edge, connect the dot and the two arcs, draw a line, and you are good to go. So that's how you double the length of a segment. The last one is the one that's a little bit tricky, and it's how you construct a segment that is half the length of a given segment. So in an earlier video we covered how to create a midpoint. So the first thing you need to do is find the midpoint of this segment. So to do that, that's where you need to set your compass to be a little bit more than half of the segment that's sitting right here, just a little bit more than half. And then you put your non-pencil part on one part of the segment. Carefully make an arc. And then you go to the other side and carefully make an arc like we did before. Now that arc is going to be halfway in between that segment. So then what you had to do is you had to take some sort of right angle device, whether it's a straight edge or our little piece of cardboard here that has a 90-degree angle in the corner. Just to show you again, I'm not cheating by using something with inches or centimeters or anything like that. And then you draw your line that goes straight to it, and you just found the midpoint. So now that you have the midpoint, we can go create our other segment. So just place a dot somewhere on that piece of paper, and now close your compass so it is the length of the midpoint to one of the endpoints. Okay? And then all you have to do is create an arc, get your straight edge, and there you go. Just created a segment that is half the length of the given one without using a ruler to measure. That's it for this video on constructions of segments. This is Longo and I'm out. See you, bye.